Welcome everyone. Today we are making a healthy and tasty recipe. Super easy to make, but absolutely delicious. Pasta e broccoli. Let's see what we need for 2 people. Half pound of broccoli florets. These are frozen, easily found at any supermarket, but you can use the fresh ones. Garlic. Plenty of red chili. Half pound of rigatoni, or in general I'd recommend using short-shaped pasta. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, and optionally some Romano cheese. Some people like it. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start cooking. This preparation is very quick, so first we want to start boiling some water. You will need 1 liter of water per quarter of pound of pasta, so 2 liters in this case. Dump the broccoli in the water so they can start cooking while the water warms up. While we wait for our water to boil, let's prepare our garlic. Use 1 or 2 garlic cloves and chop them relatively thin. For this recipe, we want to remove the garlic buds. People who follow my channel would know by now that garlic buds are hard to digest and cause bad breath, so better to remove them for this recipe. When water is boiling, place a pan on your stove and add abundant extra virgin olive oil. Add garlic and let it fry a little, being careful not to burn it. Add chili as well and get ready to move your broccoli into this pan. Be careful when moving the broccoli to the pan as hot oil might splash, and that's not fun. Add some salt to your broccoli, stir and toss. Cover your pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. It's important not to burn anything. We can now drop pasta into our boiling water and start cooking it. Stir, and then when water boils again, add 10 grams of salt per liter of water, 20 grams in this case. Every once in a while, check your broccoli sauce and add some cooking water from your pasta pot if necessary. This water is full of starch, which combined to the oil fat creates a nice and creamy sauce. When pasta is almost ready, you'll see that also your broccoli are becoming almost like a paste, and this is exactly the way we want them. Taste your pasta, and when it's ready, move it into your broccoli pan. Add 1 more ladle of pasta water and start mixing and tossing. Perfect. Switch off the heat and get ready to serve. Add some extra virgin olive oil on top and optionally that Romano cheese that we talked about. Absolutely delicious. Buon appetito. Enjoy your pasta and broccoli and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.